Hello. So if you're looking at this video, that means you want best CA Inter Audit fast track lectures, correct? And you want all the options, whether it is Hindi, English, live, pre-recorded. You want to be flexible with all the options. You want to just ensure that you clear November 23. Fine. You're at the right place. Hi, I'm CA Pragnesh Kanabar. You want to know more about me? The link is in the description. I don't want to do time pass in all of that. I'm in the 10th year of this coaching industry, and I have been into this for most of my life. All right, so you can understand that obviously I'm well accepted by the students. Now, live with recorded backup. Okay, if you're looking for this particular option, okay, Hinglish, अगर हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स चाहिए, then 1st August to 15th August, face to face live Andheri East Mumbai. All right, you can come over here and sit in front of me and ensure that your concepts are clear. At the same point of time, it will go on live Zoom also. All right, recorded backup will be given for all the lectures, don't worry about it. If you want 100% English option, then 16th August to 31st August is the timeline, and only Zoom live. For this we don't have face to face because in Mumbai we don't get students for 100% English face to face. All right, okay, it's normally South India students. So 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. daily basis for this particular timetable. Hard copy books, 55 hours, best lectures, do not worry about it. All right, you are going to get 100% coverage, and the best thing is you get validity till 31st May 2024. See, I've been very thoughtful about this. All right, because I want you to clear in November 23, but if at all something goes wrong, then you are insured till May 24. Do not worry about it. You are going to get 2 views for all the recorded videos, and access to the recorded videos will be given on T+1 basis. So for the lecture taken on 1st August, you will get the access on 2nd August, something like that. All right, and don't worry, it will be given on mobile app, which will runs on mobile as well as laptop. Okay, now if you want pre-recorded options, only recorded, you want instant access within 5 minutes. All right, then you have to enroll from our mobile app. Our mobile app runs on mobile, tablet and laptop, desktop version also on Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. All right, then if you want Google Drive, Pendrive or Android player offline downloads, all right, which is normally there in the industry, then you have to enroll from our website, that is www.theauditacademy.com. All the links are in the description. All right, but in that case you will have to give us at least 24 to 48 hours for us to mail you everything and give you the offline downloads. All right, maximum 24 to 48 hours, don't worry about it. Okay, our lectures are always updated. All right, you can be assured about it. In fact, right now also, all right, till 20th July one regular course is going on, correct, till 20th July 23, because every 3 months 4 months I keep on taking batches. I keep on coming live in my face-to-face premise on Zoom live, so our lectures are always updated. Don't worry about it. It's not like just we record once in a year or something like that. Okay, all the very best beta. I really want you to see at CA final level and then clear chartered accountancy ASAP.